How's everybody doing? You feeling stuck? You're pissed off. You bought the touchless soap. You got the foam cannons. You went to spray it on. It doesn't work. Well, I'm going to help you out. Check it out. What's going on, everybody? Got a new video for the new people wanting to do their own stuff, DIY. What we got is we got Stars and Stripes, got two foam cannons. We got a power washer handle that is not hooked up for noise purposes. So the two-step process you hear me talk about all the time is very simple. You go with the stars. There's another video out. I showed you how to put the chemical in it in the water. So we go stars and stripes. So the stars, we'll just pretend that we got the power washer going, all that good stuff. So get your soap ratio here all the way to the right, about a half a turn back. You're going to start at the bottom, go up all the way. I wish I had a power washer like this. It's so quiet. That's it with the stars. Now we're going to go with the stripes. Same concept. Going to snap it in here. And we're going to spray it down, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Up. There we go. Now it's covered in foam. Let's play magic here. Wink, wink, ha ha. So after that sits a minute, put your tip back in. Probably I use a yellow or a green. I don't have the ratios. I got a bunch of angry dogs for some reason. But so the two-step process will get you 90% there. So this is why you want to go bottom up, not top bottom. So you're going to come down here, you're going to go left, right, you're going to come up, all that good stuff, wash it off. If you go top down, you're going to get all the water, all the foam, and you're not going to be able to see your dirt line down there, right? So your dirt line is obviously what you want to look for as you're going, because you don't want to miss a spot, because you will miss a spot. It happens. I mean, we're all human, right? But like I said, bottom to top, not top bottom. You're not doing a mitt. Anytime you put hands on a vehicle, then you do a mitt or a brush or whatever, then you do whatever you want. But with the two-step process, you don't want to do that. Bottom top, that's what you want to do. And you can get you one of these janky things for, I don't know, I'll sell you this one for $1. But now you can also use these foam cannons. I said this in another video, but it's kind of worth repeating. So anytime you put product in there, I always go thumb if it's decent and I'm using my two-step process. If you want to go bonkers, you can put, I don't know, thumb and a half, right, of Dawn dishwashing liquid and the rest water. And that sucker, it will blow some foam like I've never seen. But that's not designed for a two-step process. That's why it's a touchless two-step process. You don't touch it. It'll get you 90% there. And yeah, if you miss a spot or under here or in between there or whatever, we're going to wash this thing here in a bit. So I might make a video of that, kind of show what I'm talking about. Because, hey, we're human. Sometimes it happens, right? You might miss something under here. There's like on these trucks, there's all kinds of little hideaway places that hide dirt really well and all that good stuff. But hey, hopefully this helps. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by Chem X. I don't get free product. I pay just like the general public. But these videos are for you guys to understand how to operate things if you're new and you don't know what to do, or you've never done it, you're scared to do it, you don't want to spend the money. What if I screw it up? Well, that's why I'm here, because I've already done that for you. I've wasted hundreds of dollars on buying the cheap stuff like these foam cannons. These are expensive, but they're heavy, they're good quality, man. The ones you get on Amazon or wherever or for $3.99, probably not going to do very long, because there's all kinds of, you got little injector tips in there, and they get clogged. And some of the older foam cannons, you couldn't even get those out or whatever. But this is just for the men and, boys and girls, men and women who want to do it themselves. And don't go blow a bunch of money, man. Shoot me a comment, or if you have a question, or go to chemx.com. I mean, it's the only way to fly. See ya. Thanks for watching.